birthday! Vegas is the place to be to celebrate a birthday, and people come here from all over the world to celebrate their 21st, 50th, or even 100th birthday. But we don't need to talk about which birthday I'm celebrating. Let's just say it's my 21st. Now, when you come to Vegas to celebrate your birthday, you'll probably be overwhelmed with all the different special activities you could do. You could rent a party bus and go to all the nightclubs, or make a reservation for one of our fabulous steakhouses, or sit front row for a show or concert. But today is my birthday, and I'm going to show you how we're going to celebrate Lydia style. We're going to stay on the Strip, indulge in a VIP experience, and go to a restaurant that I've been wanting to try for years. So let's check in first because we have a lot to do over the next 24 hours. Oh, and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to wish me a happy birthday. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys. I actually started my birthday off by getting my hair done over at Dry Bar. There's 2 locations on the Las Vegas Strip, so if you're ever coming here for your birthday or a special event, one at Miracle Mile Shops, which is where I went, one at Fashion Show Mall as well. I feel fabulous. We still gotta go check in. We are officially checked into our king room here at Park MGM. Now this king room is 406 square feet, and one of the first things I noticed when I walked in is they actually provide 2 free waters for us. I'll consider it a birthday gift. No mini fridge in this room, but there is a safe in the closet. There's also this really nice red, almost velvet type couch, window seating. Our room is facing southwest, so right now the sun is streaming in. We have views of the mountains, but I can see a little bit of the south end of the Strip as well. Now on the website, Park MGM describes this room as a blend of modern and classic design. And just like a lot of their other rooms, there's curated art all over the walls. The art is here above the bed, in the bathroom as well. I kind of like that more personal touch. There's also a large cocktail table and leather chair, and the bed is almost in this little alcove, so it feels pretty cozy. Blackout shades, which will come in handy because like I said, we're facing right into the sun, so if I wanted to take a nap, that would come in handy. But I have no time for a nap. There's so much more exploring to do.
Now, Park MGM opened in 1996 originally as the Monte Carlo, but in 2016, MGM Resorts announced a rebrand and renovation of the property. The extensive renovation project, which cost over $550 million, updated nearly 3,000 guest rooms and all public spaces, including the lobby, restaurants, and pools. The project also introduced the upscale Nomad Hotel. And in 2018, the property reopened as Park MGM, marking a shift towards a more modern boutique style and becoming the first casino resort on the Las Vegas Strip to be completely smoke-free.
Now that we've fully checked out our room, I have a little bit of time to explore the rest of Park MGM before we head to our VIP experience. I think I'm gonna pop in my Raycon earbuds so I can listen to a little bit of music while we walk around. This message is sponsored by Raycon. I've been loving my Raycon Everyday Earbuds Classic, which are loaded with upgrades like active noise cancellation and multi-point connectivity so you can pair with 2 devices at once. They feature an ergonomic fit that actually stays put whether you're walking the Las Vegas Strip or running to catch the deuce buzz. Raycon has introduced new colors, which are a total vibe, and my personal favorite is Cool Mint. You can count on everyday features like Quick Charge, where 10 minutes of charging gives you 90 minutes of playtime, and Awareness Mode, which is perfect whether I'm walking the Strip or working out, so I can stay tuned in to what's happening around me without missing a beat. Raycon's Everyday Earbuds are a great gift for the holidays too. And Raycon is going big for Black Friday and Cyber Monday when everything will be up to 30% off. Just click the link in the description below or go to buyraycon.com/Lydia to save on Raycon audio products site-wide. As always, guys, thank you for using my links because when you support the sponsor of this video, you support me too. Just click the link in the description below and let me know in the comments what Raycon product you got. All right, that's enough exploring. I gotta go head back up to the room and get changed so we can head to that VIP experience. It's time to let you guys in on my secret and what our VIP experience is. We're going to a Golden Knights game at T-Mobile Arena right next to Park MGM. Tonight, the Golden Knights are playing the Detroit Red Wings, which is gonna be a little bit weird for me because I'm originally from Michigan, but go Knights, go forever, of course. Now, Andrew and I have been to plenty of Golden Knights games before, but normally we're way up in the nosebleeds. Tickets here are expensive. But hey, today is my birthday, and tonight we're doing a VIP experience with all you can eat food and drink included. Now, this experience would not have been possible without someone gifting us these VIP tickets. This whole experience wouldn't have been possible without the masked lady herself hooking it up for us. She has her own Vegas YouTube channel called Las Vegas Mysterious Treasure Hunts, and I highly recommend subscribing for some really unique Vegas hidden treasures and history. She's found the hidden gondola workshop at the Venetian and even where they've been keeping the masquerade floats at the Rio. I've actually been featured on her channel before for the Fremont Street Experience Treasure Hunt, where I went head-to-head against some other local Vegas YouTubers. You'll have to go over to her channel to see who came out victorious. There's also a rumor that I might make another appearance in the upcoming months. So shout out to the masked lady for hooking it up with these tickets. Let's head inside. I cannot believe I'm here right now. I don't know how I'm gonna top this for my birthday next year. We basically have access to this lounge the entire game. There's 2 different food tables, like snacks on one and then hot foods on the other, and then it's an open bar, like all game. I'm starting with a lemon drop, keeping it cute, and then I just got some potato salad, mac and cheese, wings, like brisket. I'm blown away right now, guys. I'm telling you, normally I'm way up in the nosebleeds with like half a hot dog. Happy birthday to me. Start of the second period, it's still 0-0. We went back down to the lounge, refilled on popcorn. I got a cupcake, another seltzer. We're having a great time. Now the Golden Knights just need to score.
Let's go.
We just scored, guys. We're up 1-0. 5 minutes left in the second period. Go Knights, go!
Go Knights!
We won!
That's a W!
1-0, baby! Best birthday gift ever.
Ever.
Well, since the last time you guys saw us, a lot has happened. We won the Golden Knights game, and then my friend Norma and fellow YouTuber was actually at the game, and she was the one that launched the third period. She like cranked the bell to start the third period. So we actually all went out for drinks at Italy last night. That was super fun. Went to bed super late.
Very late.
So now we're waking up But we are hungry, and right now we're about to go downstairs to eat breakfast at a place that I've been wanting to try for years. I'm so excited. How'd you sleep?
I slept great. Yeah, I probably wasn't in bed till after 12:30 in the morning. But the pillow was pretty comfortable. I like my pillows kind of halfway between soft and firm, so it could have been a little bit more firm for me. But overall, the bed was super comfortable. I passed right out. I slept well. I feel like I may have heard a noise from another room here and there, but overall, it was pretty quiet.
Man, I passed out, and I passed out good. Okay, let's go eat breakfast downstairs, guys.
And also, if anybody else from the Golden Knights team is watching this video, when do I get to crank the siren?
So unless you guys couldn't tell, we have made our way downstairs in the lobby to Primrose. Now, I have been wanting to try this restaurant for years. It opened when the Monte Carlo converted into the Park MGM. So it's been here for over 7 years at this point, and I've been always wanting to try it. I always walk by when I walk through the lobby, and it looks so cute from the outside. It's even cuter on the inside. I told Andrew when we sat down in these chairs, I kind of feel like I'm in somebody's like English countryside estate in their study, just a study that happens to have a full bar next to us. It's so gorgeous in here. There's like tempered glass, chandeliers, and there is an outdoor and an indoor portion to Primrose. So we could also eat outside right next to the pool. It's actually a lovely day outside, so it'd be a perfect day to eat outside, but I love where we're seated. We ordered an absolute ton of food. Of course, I started with my iced latte. I'm about to get a pressed juice as well. We kind of drank a lot last night in that VIP suite. We really took advantage of the all-you-can-eat and drink. So we're not gonna do any alcohol today, but I did wanna mention that they have an all-you-can-drink mimosa and rosé special for $40, which is kind of nice. Normally you see that bottomless mimosa special, but the fact that they have rosé on top of it, $40, I might come back for that. Well, I just talked about how Andrew and I probably overindulged in the all-you-can-eat and drink last night in that VIP suite, and here we are ordering the entire menu again. It's my birthday, okay? We're treating ourselves. We ordered an absolute ton of food off the menu. I, of course, wanted to try their famous shrimp and grits. This came highly recommended. We also got the avocado toast. Andrew wanted to try the buttermilk pancakes. We squeezed in the chicken and waffles. We got a couple of sides as well. But I wanted to try the shrimp and grits for you guys because it looks so dang flavorful. Oh my gosh, there's an egg in the middle, shrimp. Oh my God. Wait, hold on. Before I give you my opinion, we have to go in on a shrimp. Woo, that is a big shrimp. Guys, you know how I said earlier that I felt like I was in the English countryside? Not anymore. I feel like I'm right in the South with that home-style Southern cooking. The Cajun spices in here come through so well and blend with the smooth and cheesiness of the grits. All I can taste in this is butter, spice, flavors. The shrimp absolutely burst in my mouth. It tastes so fresh. I can't wait to dig into that egg as well. This dish is a winner. If this dish represents the rest of what we ordered, this is gonna be an amazing birthday brunch.
Now, I am a huge buttermilk pancake guy, so I had to get the buttermilk pancakes. It does come with a Vermont maple syrup, and you'll see I absolutely doused the pancakes. I love maple syrup. And they did offer to put blueberries on top of the pancakes, but I just like a good plain buttermilk pancake, so I didn't go with the blueberries today, but let's try it. Now, as simple as a buttermilk pancake is, there's a lot of ways to mess it up. These are definitely not messed up. Very fluffy, melt in your mouth. You can really taste that buttermilk flavor come through. Definitely a thumbs up on the pancakes.
All I want to do is keep finishing that shrimp and grits. It is so good, but you guys know we ordered pretty much the entire menu. So next up is avocado toast. Fun fact about me, if I see avocado toast on the menu, I'm ordering it every time. You can get the avocado toast with egg and salmon as well, but this already came plenty loaded just as is. Let's take a bite. Avocado, it almost has like a whipped consistency. It is so smooth. I love that they put different seasonings and these seeds on top as well. It like adds to the flavor profile. Cucumber, radishes, looks like some tomatoes in there as well. This is a very hearty avocado toast.
So I did also really want to try the chicken and waffles here. So I'm gonna try a bite of that first. Get a nice piece of chicken, nice piece of waffle there. All right, that's a very solid chicken and waffles. The waffle is really nice, airy, fluffy. Sometimes the waffles get overcooked and they're kind of crunchy, but this was cooked really well. The chicken, the breading is tasty. The chicken on the inside, nice and juicy. Yeah, that's really solid. Now, originally, we also were gonna end with our food right there, but the chef highly recommended trying their seasonal French toast here. And to be honest, this was more of a French loaf than a French toast. But it does come with apple cobbler on the side here, whipped cream on top, and then drizzled bourbon caramel sauce all over the top. This thing is crazy. I don't think I've eaten French toast like this before. Let's get a good bite in. Get some of those apples, some of that cobbler crust. All right, that has some really good flavor in it too. It's perfect seasonally for the fall. You've got the apple cobbler, so it reminds you of kind of like apple pie at Thanksgiving time with the caramel dripped all over it. The brioche flavor really comes through in the toast. I'm glad that they brought this out because I'm definitely gonna be eating it.
We're wrapping up brunch here at Primrose. Obviously, we have a lot of leftovers to take home. Not a bad problem to have. I've been thinking, what are some other things I would recommend doing for your birthday here in Las Vegas? Some of my top 3 activities that I would recommend to anyone. First of all, Super Frico over at the Cosmopolitan is one of my favorite restaurants in Vegas, and it's dining and a show. It's a little PG-13, so just kind of know that going in. It's a little bit more adult-friendly humor in that show. When you go, get the pizza and the tableside mozzarella. Also great for all ages, the lip-smacking foodie tours. Andrew and I have done several of the tours. They offer, I want to say, at least 10 different tours by now. We just did their cocktail crawl at Resorts World, but we've done several of their other tours as well. Totally a good birthday present. And then my last recommendation for my ladies out there, but honestly my guys too, is to go to the Golden Hour Spa right by the airport. They have a Treat Me Like a Queen spa package where you get this amazing manicure and pedicure, and you really do feel like a birthday queen. Highly recommend. Those would be 3 of my must-dos for your next birthday in Vegas.
Now, my birthday was a little over a month ago, and we ended up staying at Durango, watching football, hanging out, staying the night there, and I had a really great time. But in the future, if I wanted to plan the ultimate Andrew Las Vegas birthday party, I'd probably start my morning over at Top Golf, hitting some balls, grabbing some food there. Then I'm definitely doing something more adrenaline-filled, maybe go-karting over at the Formula One Experience, or jumping off the Strat again. I did that several years ago for my birthday, and I really want to do it again. And then to cap the night off, I'm probably going to a sports bar somewhere, grabbing burgers, beer, and watching some NBA or some NFL. That would be a good Andrew birthday right there.
Breakfast at Primrose was just as good as I expected, maybe even better to be honest. And they offer a $45 prefix menu on Saturdays and Sundays, so I definitely want to come back for that, as well as those $40 bottomless mimosas and rosé. Wanted to take a quick second to thank MGM for hosting us both here at Park MGM, inviting us into Primrose as well. Thank you for taking such good care of us. And now guys, you're gonna have to let me know in the comments how you would celebrate your birthday here in Las Vegas. I'm Lydia in Vegas. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe to see what we discover next here in Las Vegas.